Hello everyone and welcome to day number 29, distance on the coordinate plane. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so on the first page, you're given a bunch of points. They're named with capital letters, and you'll have to find the distance and direction of each point. So for example, if we look at the distance between points A and G, over here we have A and we have G. We begin counting. When we begin counting, we don't count 1 as the first point. We count 1 as the next point. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the distance is 9, and is the direction horizontal or vertical? Well, we see it's going up and down, so the direction is vertical, okay? Let's do one more together. What is the difference between points B and C? Well, here is B and here is C. So let's count. Again, point 1 is not the point B. 1 is the next point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the distance is 5. Is the direction horizontal or vertical? Well, it's going straight across, so it's horizontal. So go ahead and try the remaining 3 on your own, okay? All right, on the next page, we'll see some given points, and it'll ask us to follow directions to create 2 points, okay? Plot 2 points. And in this case, from point A, they want us to plot a point that is 8 units away. So let's start looking at point A, and we will count 8 points first in the horizontal direction. Okay, so here's the first point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that point, when we're trying to come up with our coordinates, we always look at the number on the x-axis first. So if this is our point, we look on the x-axis, the first point is 1 and it goes up to 7. So the first point is 1, 7. Now let's start again from point A, but this time let's go in the vertical direction, 8 units away. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that point, again, we look at the number on the x-axis first, is -7, -1. Okay, and just try the other 2 on your own. All right, if you look at this page here, it gives you 2 points, and it's asking you to create a rectangle on the graph using the 2 points given. The rectangle must have a perimeter of 26 units and an area of 40 square units. If you recall, a perimeter is adding up the 4 sides. The area is multiplying length times width. So what 2 numbers could we multiply? Times equals 40. We have 10 times 4, and we have 8 times 5. So we could try both and see if it works, but in this case, I know that it's 8 times 5. So how will we do that? We can see here, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's how I knew. And now 8, so we need to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we made that point, we made a rectangle, right? We know that 8 times 5 is 40, so that is the area. And the perimeter needs to be 26 units. Well, if we add up every side, we have 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. And if you add 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5, you do get 26 units, okay? So try this one on your own. All right, so on the last page, it asks you to find the distance between Gabe's house and the following locations, where here is Gabe's house. The first one is Kim's house. So we always start at Gabe's house and we count how many points it takes us to get to Kim's house. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 points to get to Kim's house. Now you're going to count the rest, always beginning from Gabe's house, the distance to the burger joint, the rec center, and the park. Okay? On the last one, it asks you here, what is located 7 units away from the burger joint? So in question 5, start at the burger joint and try to figure out which of these locations is 7 units away, and then you would write your answer right in here. Okay, so go ahead and work on day 29, and I will see you on day number 30. Bye-bye.